Hey guys. So pretty much, I just had like at least 3 minutes of video time. And it was a good start. I was talking about everything. My weekend, where I've been, how I just hit 700 milligrams edible THC. And then poof, it says, you know what? You can't record. Even though my phone's at 20%. And I've recorded at like 13% before, and it was fine. Like, is it because I'm walking? Did I hit a button? Like, the whole application just closed. Closed. My hand looks weird on the screen. Anyway, I had this great shot of the, what should we call it? The sun. It was so shiny, perfect. And I recorded it, and now that's gone. Well, it never recorded in the first place, but it never even told me it wasn't recording. Which is very, very strange. You know what? I probably have to do this every day. Record videos. Because really, it is refreshing. And I guess the more uploads I do, the more people will see it. Also, share my videos to all your friends and family. Except my family. Well, I guess I can't ask you to do that if I'm not even willing to do it. Oh. Look at that. That's where I've walked from so far. Oh yeah, I ate that THC, edible THC, about 10 minutes ago. So, it's not hitting yet. I don't even know if it'll hit at all. And you must think I'm crazy, like how 700 milligrams, that's gonna hit you. Might hit you. But I've had bad luck in the past with edibles, Like this, don't do something. And then I have times where I've taken way too much, and I did do something and I passed out for 12 hours. Hey, but the time before I passed out was very relaxing. Now, the little reason I passed out that time was because, whatchamacallit? It was so relaxing I couldn't move. But I was okay with not moving. It was like everything was slow motion. Just that kind of slow motion. So this walk's really good. Like, look at that. Like, it's just beautiful, And I feel like straight line walks like this, those can resemble life, It's not what life is, just a walk or something. Well, I guess it's more than that. It's whatever you make it. Right now, life to me is recording a walk and talking about my edible experiences. Oh yeah, that time when I couldn't move, that was off 3,000 milligrams. Yeah. That's some Joey Diaz shit. But I think even Joey Diaz could have survived that. I couldn't. Oof. Look at the sky. It's beautiful. And if this recording exits like the last one, I might have to, die. Uh-oh. Guys? Bruh. Okay, I'm walking, You may ask, why are you walking backwards? It's because I seem to drop the pen. Okay, let's go get the pen. Maybe that will be the title for this video. Journey for the pen. Because I currently don't have it. It's a good thing I was walking in the same place and not all over the you know, the road. Still get ran over. Sorry if I'm not paying attention to the video, but I just gotta find that pen. And once I find the pen, you know, we're Gucci. Sorry, my ear was clogged. Pen. You know what? I must have dropped it when the video closed. That's probably what happened. Come on, pen. So I guess my luck is a little ran out, but that's alright. And again, I don't know if this is good or bad fortune. I mean, it's unfortunate, yes, but all I gotta do is find it. I'll find it eventually. Because I do not have it on me. Oh, so, what was I saying? Oh yeah, my edible experiences. Yeah, I've had a few fun ones, a few boring ones, a few bad ones, a few awesome ones. But I've only had a few. You know? Know what I'm saying? Okay, where'd you go? Oh boy. This might take a while, guys. I might have to just make the video and then grab it. You know what? No, you guys can come along with me for this. Come on, Pan. Where'd you go? Pen. This thing was full too. Whatever. Just keep walking. Man. This is so sad. Can we get 10 likes? Oh, it's the first time I've used that phrase before. Well, in a video. I've used it all the time when I was a kid. It's like a half black, half yellow package. I'm not finding this. I didn't even realize it was gone for like the longest time. Well, you know, this has been a series of unfortunate events. You've seen that Jim Carrey movie. It's pretty good. I mean, it was, and then all the teachers in my school decided to put it on every single year. Why do they do that? What's the point of watching the same movie 4 years in a row? You know what's funny? They actually do, you know, like make, what was I gonna say? You know what, fuck it. Man, this sucks. Well, guys, I've seemed to have lost my pen. I'll pause this for right now and get back to you. And if I accidentally stop the video, then see you next time. Let's see.